Hey everybody, welcome back to my squash garden. It looks as though my squash plants are almost totally done for the year. I still have a few buds and a little bit of green, but for the most part, folks, this is what they look like. I was very blessed to get several spaghetti squash this year. We really like it, so I'm very, very well pleased with the harvest on this. And here is the last one up here. So maybe I'll be lucky enough to get 2 or 3 more off of that one down there that still has some blooms on it. But if not, I really honestly can't complain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on that next video.